Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump straight into this client tutorial. I start all of my client looks with the eyebrows. I like to go ahead and take my disposable spoolie and just smooth everything out on the eyelids. I definitely allow my clients to talk while I do their makeup just because I feel like it makes them more comfortable and relaxed, because this could be a tedious process. So I try to make sure that I make it as easy as possible. The next thing that I go ahead and do is I'm going to grab my utensils so that I can really lay out these eyebrows. So as you guys can see right here, I have my pomade, I have my angle brush, and I'm just shaping her eyebrows. Shaping the eyebrows is time consuming. Everybody's eyebrows are very different. This I've actually learned throughout my process as a makeup artist, and I've learned to just really take my time and really pay attention to detail and pay attention to what I'm doing. I don't want my clients to leave my chair feeling unconfident. I want them to know that they can wear their makeup without filters and just feel very, very confident outside of the camera, because we can literally alter our pictures and make it look like our clients look good. But I really want my clients to know that they look amazing on and off the camera. So I definitely take my time. The next thing you guys are going to see me do is I am going to prep the eyelids and clean up the eyebrows using my concealer and my flat brush, as well as my concealer Real Techniques brush. And I just use this to kind of smooth everything out and just lay everything out for the eyeshadow so that the eyeshadow has a place to actually sit. That way it can last all day. Now you guys actually see me going in with my eyeshadow. I am starting out with the lightest eyeshadow from my palette, and then I work my way into some darker shades. My client made it very, very clear right off the bat. She does not like wearing makeup, but it was her birthday and she wanted to do something different. She did not want to look like she had so much going on her face, but she still wanted a nice glam experience. So I went ahead and just put together some neutral colors, and I made sure that the shades were very, very soft and not too heavy. That way it does not drown away her eyes. Anytime I have a client that tells me they don't wear makeup, I try to really, really take my time with them, because going in too fast with too much is automatically going to give them a look they don't want. And I never want my clients to leave unhappy. So you guys just see me kind of taking my time and really adding these shades together. We went with these neutral colors, these dark browns, a little bit of black, and some light browns to really kind of blow the look out. But we kept it very, very simple and very smooth. I kept my hand very steady in these same spots. As you realize, I didn't blow it out all the way into her eyebrows. Now, sometimes I have clients where I will blow their looks completely out. For this case, I didn't do that. I stayed in place. I kept everything simple. I kept everything nice and light and smooth. And I must say, I think she actually loved it. But yeah, so I'm just going into this palette. This is actually my Juvia's palette. I don't remember the name of this particular palette, but you guys can kind of see the shades and the colors that's in it. So yeah, I'm just taking my time going in. I'm going back and forth, just really blending everything out, because I did not want to leave any harsh lines behind, baby. Because, baby, if you leave them harsh lines and they'll start taking their pictures and stuff, and you'll be looking at their pictures like, hold on, did I do that? I forgot to blend right there. Lessons learned. I really noticed that I've grown so much as a makeup artist, and I just have so much passion in what it is that I'm doing. I'm just so excited, guys. Also, y'all, studio coming soon. You know what I'm saying? We're super excited and just preparing for the next journey of the glam studio, and it's really expanding, so I'm so thankful. Now I decided, let's make this look pop a little. Okay, so I am going to go right into this look with some eyeliner. I love my NYX eyeliner. This is going to be in the color black. So what I'm doing is I'm just creating my client a nice, soft, not too dramatic wing, okay? Not too dramatic, y'all. Remember, she does not like a lot of makeup. But I just knew if I threw this eyeliner on her, even though she did not tell me to do it, she was going to love it. So sometimes you just got to make a decision for yourself. Like, okay, it's going to look better if I do this. I got you. It's not going to be too much. So I took a risk and I went ahead and did some eyeline work. So I do go from the outer corners, work my way up, and then draw that line down. It's kind of hard to really say the technique that I'm using, considering the fact that I did not record this portion good enough for you guys to really see what I was doing. And hopefully once I get my studio set up, I can have my cameras like really surrounding my clients to where I can just get so many different angles. I don't know. I have to figure that out, how that's going to work. But yeah, I'm going in with a black eyeliner, creating a nice little wing. Everybody's eye shapes is different, so you really got to take your time with this as well. I do like to draw on like a really thin layer first and then kind of build upon that, because one thing I know about black, baby, you messed up that black liner. Oh, who you doing? You're done. So I decided to add just a hint of red, okay? A hint of red. So I'm using this eyeliner and I'm literally just throwing it on the tips. I'm not taking that red throughout the entire eyelid, just literally at the end of that wing. And when I say that this made that look pop, it made the look pop. But still, I have to give all my looks those glam effects. So of course I did a little bit more, which you guys will see soon. So as you can see, the eyes are finished. I threw some rhinestones on there and girlfriend is just popping. I did not record for you guys me doing her face because that's not what this tutorial was about. But you guys should see me kind of touching up everything on her face. I'm going in with the bronzers and the highlights and just really finishing out this look really good. I think it came together so beautiful. Like, I just loved everything about this look. And I really want to do it on myself, but I haven't had time. But yeah. So I was trying to explain to my client how to turn her head from side to side, and she was having me cracking up because she was like, do what? But she looks so pretty for her birthday, and judging based off of her post, she had a good time, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and leave some comments. Bye.